What's good, y'all, man? It's your boy 1K, 21K in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Right now, nigga just chilling, know what I'm saying? I'm ready to go to the gun range in a minute. Like I was saying, though, I'm about to go to the gun range, you know what I mean? Gotta make a couple stops first. Just got a little oil change and shit. Probably go get something to eat. Cause the gun range ain't open yet. But yeah. Shit, right now I'm just vlogging and shit, you know what I'm saying? Trying to figure out where to eat at. I don't know where to go. I be eating the same shit every time, so like, I don't know where to go. I probably go somewhere and sit down, you know what I'm saying? Cause I got 40 minutes until that bitch open. So, ain't no telling what I'm ready to do now. I'm just on the road right now, man. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I figure out what I'm gonna do and shit. Beat! Alright, bro. I just pulled up to the gun range, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. They already got me some bullets, some gun range bullets, but I don't know if they're gonna be like bad bullets here and shit. Cause you know some gun ranges want you with bad bullets and shit. But I'm ready to see what up. I'm gonna take them in just in case. Really gotta unload my clip. Cause you know, can't take no loaded guns in there. Yeah. Screaming, let's get it and twisting our fingers. Alright, this the clip. I'm taking that bitch. I got a clip already in my shit. You just leave that alone, feel me? Just go ahead. Take that out. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all in the gun range. I'm ready to go in that bitch. Beat! I forgot to show y'all what I'm going in with. I ain't gonna rent nothing, I just wanna bust this bitch. I ain't bust this bitch yet. Little Taurus motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Whole 15. Yeah. But now, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get in the gun range. You feel me? Beat! I don't know why, but every time I load it gets stuck. Hold on, let me show you. just came out the gun range, man. And got I ain't like how this shit was loading. Like I was trying to load my shit and it gets stuck. And I gotta like force it to go up. But as I was going though, it was getting better. But what's the difference? Like it kept getting stuck. Like the first 3 times I tried to load this shit, it got stuck. Like I had it been solid up and everything. You feel me? But when I turned it to the side, it went straight in. You feel me? But yeah though, this joint alright, man. You feel me? It's like 50%. Not like 70% accurate. I might throw like a little beam scope on that motherfucker or something. Probably put a beam on that though. But yeah though, cause I was hitting, and then I shoot it right in the same spot, and it wouldn't hit like just like the I'm gonna say differential. I don't know if that's the right word, but the differential in the shots was like in the same aiming spot. It's like this much. You feel me? So I hit the middle of the target, then next shot would go to like to the right of the target, like, and I'm aiming in the same spot. You feel me? But I fuck with it though. I like the gun and shit. The kickback not too crazy on the jump. I don't know though, cause the first bullets I had, it's like the ball head was shaved, like it would like cut out, and the gunpowder would be showing, or whatever the lead would be showing, like the black shit. And that's what was getting mainly stuck. But when I put the ball heads in there, it was doing it, but it'll go up though, like it'll get in there type shit. The first one shaved off bullets, it'd be like, and they get stuck, and I have to like either like do it again, like keep doing that and let it go, or goddamn I have to put my finger in there a little bit to get it up a little bit. Then you feel me? I ain't like that shit, cause like, what if I really need the shit and it's not one in the head? Like, but once I got one in the head and start shooting that motherfucker though, it was gone. Give it out of 1 through 10. I'd get a gun to 8, and the only reason out of 10 is cause the accuracy and the loading part. Like I didn't fuck with that at all. I ain't like that. But I felt with this little spot though. The price ain't too crazy. The smoking gun range. Hey, if y'all fuck with that little video and y'all want to see more, cause I'm gonna be shooting other guns and shit too. I wanted to test this joint out first. Make sure y'all hit the like and subscribe button. I'm gonna be posting a lot of shit of me just doing shit. You feel me? Like it's not gonna be like specifically gun range and shit like that. Like as you can see, I got other videos of reactions. You feel me? Like, this page is just literally for like, I guess my life type shit and reactions. So, cause I'm just trying to like build it up type shit and see the difference in the aim. It might have been me, I don't know. But I was aiming in the same spot. Y'all look at the video, can't really tell. I couldn't really prop it up real for real. You know what I'm saying? But I hope it's good enough. I ain't really look at it. Not yet. Either way, this shit getting posted though. Yeah though. If you want to see like regular YouTube content, boom, right there. Yeah, that's me and my twin page right there. We be going crazy over there. Go ahead, check it out. And by the time I post this, it should be like a acting gangster prank up there. I need y'all to go fuck with that real quick. And subscribe, like, all that. And make sure y'all like this video too. You know what I'm saying? If you enjoy. If you don't like it, I ain't tripping. If you ain't like it, you ain't get to this point. You know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty sure that people that did like it at this point, yeah, like the video, fuck with me, you know what I'm saying? I'm ready to start getting active and shit. Yeah, man. If y'all like this video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know, this is the end of the video. If you want, you know what I'm saying? If you got IG, follow me on the ground right here. You know what I'm saying? So you can see when I post, turn the post notifications on both of my channels. If y'all go to my other channel, the link will be in the description. So y'all ain't gotta type it up. But if y'all wanna subscribe to my other channel, it's gonna be in the link description. Yeah, that's the end of this video, man. I'm about 21K signing out. And I'm out this bitch.